In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a platform with Lovable. Whether you're looking to create a new marketing or landing website, this step-by-step guide will help you utilize Lovable to your advantage. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Lovable's website. It's your gateway to starting any web project with ease and efficiency. Once you're on Lovable, you'll see the option to start a new project. This is where all the magic begins. Choose Website Builder if you're aiming to create a marketing or landing site. This specialized tool in Lovable's suite is designed to make building sites user-friendly while keeping a professional standard. Now you're ready to write your copy a platform prompt. Let me give you an example to set you on the right path. Say you want to build a platform similar to Airbnb. You'd write something along the lines of build a platform similar to Airbnb, including homepage layout, listings grid, and booking section. Replace content with my brand, stay spot, and keep the design clean and responsive. This prompt gives Lovable clear guidelines on what you want, making the process much smoother and more aligned with your vision. Once you've crafted your prompt, it's time to generate the platform itself. Lovable will take your instructions and create a basic version of your desired platform. This step is crucial, so give it a moment to work its magic. You've now got a foundation to build on. Your next move is to customize the platform. Lovable allows you to replace all text, logos, and images with your own content seamlessly. This is your chance to infuse your brand's personality into the website. Pay attention to the icons and images you choose. Every detail counts. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and branding settings in the design panel. This is where you ensure that the look and feel are consistent with your overall brand identity. Don't hesitate to play around with these settings until you get the exact vibe you're looking for. After you've tailored the platform to your liking, it's time to preview and compare. Take a step back and view your work to ensure everything looks cohesive and functions well. Viewing it from the perspective of a visitor can provide fresh insights or reveal areas that need tweaking. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks and runs, it's time to save and publish your platform. Ensure all aspects are dialed in correctly. Double check all the links, graphics, and text. Once everything is in place, hit publish, and your platform goes live for the world to see. Remember, you can always return and adjust if you notice anything amiss, and there you have it. Congratulations on creating a fully functional platform with Lovable. With these steps, you can now create and customize your websites with confidence and creativity.